In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive document in Microsoft Word. An interactive document can make your Microsoft Word file easier to use by allowing readers to interact with different parts of the document. This can be especially useful for forms, worksheets, questionnaires, guides, and other documents where users need to enter information or select options. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new document, or open the document you want to make interactive. Before adding the interactive elements, make sure your document already contains the text and sections where you want users to provide information. Next, go to the Developer tab at the top of Microsoft Word. If the Developer tab is already visible, you can select it and access the controls needed to make your document interactive. From the Developer tab, you can add different types of content controls to your document. These controls allow users to enter or select information directly within specific areas of the document. For example, you can use a plain text content control when you want users to type a simple response. Place your cursor where you want the response field to appear, then select the appropriate text control from the Developer tab. Word will add an interactive field that users can click and type into. You can also add a drop-down list content control when you want users to choose from a specific set of options. Place the control where you want it to appear, then open its properties and add the choices you want users to select from. This can help keep responses consistent throughout your document. Another useful option is a checkbox content control. This allows users to select or clear a checkbox directly in the document. You can use these controls for choices, confirmations, or items that need to be marked as completed. As you add these controls, organize them alongside your existing text and instructions. Make sure each interactive field is clearly associated with the information the user needs to provide. You can also adjust the appearance and properties of your content controls to make the document easier to understand and use. Review each control and make sure it works as intended before sharing the document with others. Once your interactive elements are in place, test the document by clicking each field and entering or selecting information. Check that the text fields accept responses. The drop-down lists display the correct choices, and the checkboxes can be selected properly. When everything is working correctly, your Microsoft Word document is ready to be used as an interactive file. And that's how you can create an interactive document in Microsoft Word using content controls and the Developer tab. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,